start the video because all three of us are here. Ronnie's probably going to run off camera. Oh no.
It's the first time that I've seen this.
This is the first time you've seen the car?
In the flesh.
Really?
Well, I saw it out the back there at the A&D Coffee and Cars Day. But it's, I haven't seen it up close. I'm not even sat in it.
Sat in it because it stinks. So we actually, you seen the last episode we dropped this off at A&D and we said we're going to come and pick up the car when it's been done. It's been done. We prayed that it was just the rear axle. Was it just the rear axle?
No.
No. Oh, it
well, it was the bits we saw in the video.
Oh, we did see that in the video. Yeah. So you put the rear axle on and it was straight.
Yes. Yeah. Alignment's been done. It actually drives all right. Yeah.
I know why it smells. There's a vegetable samosa in there that went out of date February 23. So that was the reason why it doesn't smell so nice inside. So it could have been in Copart for I don't know how long. Months probably, so it's why it looks so bad on the outside, I guess. I think it's good value for money. I think when you factor in what the car costs, and it's got quite low mileage, and it wasn't that badly damaged, and you didn't have to modify the car. You know, you could have put standard parts on the car. I mean, we put a Cobra exhaust on it.
Yeah, we're going to go over the whole list of what's been done. You know off by heart.
Yeah, so it's got, since it's come in, it's had new discs and pads. It's had new suspension because it didn't need it, but Ronnie and the guys at AMD said it was tired and needed some, could have been replaced. So while it's in, I thought, get it. I bought a second-hand set of 595 Competizione, if that's how you say it, suspension, and we fitted that. EBC discs and pads, Cobra exhaust.
Braided brake lines.
Braided brake lines, yep. Need a new handbrake cable because where the axle was damaged, it was pulled across, ripped.
And the copper brake lines.
Copper brake lines come through.
Redo them.
So you probably didn't need to do all that. You probably could have just put it on the road, but while it's here, I figured it was worth doing. And if you're going to buy an exhaust, I found an exhaust on eBay for 80 quid, just a back box that is, because it had a hole in it. But we got a Cobra instead, so you didn't need to do that. You could have repaired it a lot cheaper. But I think as it stands, for the car with these mods done to it, fully serviced, aligned, new tyres, it probably owes us all in £4,000, maybe, with all the mods and stuff like that, and bits and pieces. So I think it's pretty good value for money. But it's only got 60,000 miles on the clock, so I don't know.
It's 60k, yeah.
Could I gone and bought one? Probably. Could have gone and bought
what is
one.
the fun in that?
Exactly, what is the fun in that?
What is the fun?
Could I gone and bought, I wouldn't have got this, would I? I wouldn't have got my samosa.
Pink. Have you sat in it?
No, I haven't sat in it.
It's a bit grubby. It needs...
Yeah. It's not... They're comfy seats, aren't they? I'm going to hear what it sounds like.
Yeah, go on. A little bit of something here, but
Probably
Brewster's the
double
painters.
the weight of the car. Look how thick the filler is. Isn't it?
So it needs a clean. I think when it's cleaned up, I think it'll clean up. It's a nice white. It's like a bit of a pearl in it and stuff. So I think it should clean up quite nice. I didn't realise the bumper that I bought off eBay in good nick. It's got parking sensors, but the car hasn't, so they're just for show.
Well, at least it's better than buying a bumper without parking sensors when you have parking sensors.
So maybe I could fit those at a later date, retrofit them. But I'm pleasantly surprised and happy with it. I've never driven one of these before, so
we're going to take it for a first drive because we don't even know if it.
I've had loads of minis, and I think these compare. These compete with minis, so I think I'd be interested to see.
Get a bit of tape, and I'll just tape that.
This sounds really good. I like the way it sounds. Very much 1.4 turbo. It sounds decent.
I've actually reviewed one of these on a YouTube channel, and I've actually put one of these cars as one of the most underrated cars I've ever driven. Because you go in there, you don't really expect too much, and then when you drive them, they're actually really good fun.
I've driven the R53 Mini, the supercharged one, 56. I've got one of the new ones, electric one, and I think this should compete with the R56. I would have said. I think personally, I think it's a great little car. So if it drives like it sounds and like people say it does, a lot of the magazines, Evo magazine and a few of the Top Gear.
So you've not driven one of these before?
Never.
Right.
I never sat in one until just then.
It's going to be fun. The one thing I like is the radio is extremely... I'm not sure
what that is. I've never seen it.
Windows Mobile.
Is that a mod?
Designed for Windows Mobile. Surely that's not standard.
And it's got a boost cage.
Oh, is it actually got? Oh yeah, boost. That is stock. I do know that.
That is stock, yeah.
That is standard, yeah. But what is this radio about?
That's got to be stock.
Why is it so strange looking? And what's this out of?
Oh, that's out the caddy. That's for Ron.
Oh, oh, there's some more food down here.
Oh, cool.
Oh, tuna. Oh, yeah.
That'd be one of the reasons.
Oh. What date's this got on
Mine's
it?
in
Yeah?
February. Can you raise or lower me? Higher or lower?
1st of May. It doesn't say a year though. It doesn't say a year. Everything's so sticky. It's just a bit grubby, isn't it?
I am going to clean it. Don't worry. I'm going to clean it. I'm going to enjoy cleaning it as well, because it's one of those cars that when you clean it, you can see the results quickly.
Hopefully.
Or I just clean it and it's 5 different colours.
But at least it drives.
It drives nice.
Is it?
Yeah. Smooth. It's a
Smooth?
bit tappity.
I think there's some on the wheel.
No, it's the engine.
I think there's 2 different taps. I think there's a bit tappy and idle. But what I'm hearing right now is definitely something on the wheel.
It's got the tyres are brand new, so it's got a sticker on
Yeah,
it.
it's probably got some on.
I know you're from about 300 miles away from here, but where's the petrol station?
Left.
How do you know the way? I don't.
I don't know. We've got an impeccable sense of direction. So it's 60 quid to a full tank. How many miles do you think that's going to get us in this?
Oh, I don't know.
300?
Oh, more than that.
4?
400?
The boost gauge isn't turning on with a shift indicator.
Pressing sport mode, nothing's happening. I just want to see how many miles it's going to get to a town. I don't think we've got a trick computer. What's this thing over here? Speed bench.
There must be an easier way to display your miles per gallon.
God, there's a lot in there.
Windows Mobile, but with
It's got Windows Mobile USB.
but no miles per gallon. First gripe, your handbrake. When you put it up,
You hit your knuckle.
you hit your knuckle on that.
It's not ideal.
It's not good.
The ball looks a little bit.
Sport.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, put in sport again. Good.
Oh, it works. I wonder where our boost gauge is. Is the needle not sweeping? Is it sweeping?
Yeah, it's moving, yeah.
Oh, it is moving. Oh, cool.
Hey, that's off the gauge.
What, the boost gauge went off the gauge?
Yeah. It's mad, isn't it? You wouldn't put a boost gauge that goes off the gauge, would you? I don't know, what's the go up to? Red line's 1.6.
It went over 1.6?
1.6.
No.
What's 1.6 bar?
Like,
25 psi.
it's a lot.
What's the gauge?
Right.
Can't tell you, ready?
Yeah. Oh no, it doesn't go okay. It peaks at
1.2.
right. Yeah, so that's about right. Yeah.
And it peaks for a millisecond.
And then drops off.
It
Yeah.
feels quite nippy though.
Yeah, it does. Feels good.
Steering's really good. The quick shift's worked. It's made the throw shorter, but it's
Oh, there's a quick shift in there.
quick shift on it. It's
Right.
made the throw shorter, but it needs left and right as well. So I don't know if they do another one that does left and right, because this quick shift was fitted at the front of on the gear cage, I think on the shifter up there rather than.
Oh right, yeah. Yeah. Is that also?
That's us, yeah.
You never. That's, is it?
Yeah, that's us, yeah. Well, it's got new pads, new disc,
Oh right, yeah.
a new exhaust.
Yeah. All right. Lots of smells and smokes and beds and things.
I'm really impressed.
Do the brakes feel spongy? Like, do they feel like
really,
that?
no. They're not really
Yeah, grippy,
bitey,
yeah,
but
yeah.
they're brand new, so maybe
Yeah.
they'll bed in a bit. But.
No leaks.
No leaks.
The tappiness have gone.
Yep,
It actually has. The tappiness has actually gone. Like, it doesn't sound tappy anymore. Smelly, but it's fine. Oh yeah. You happy with it?
I'm happy with it. I can't wait to clean it. I'm gonna clean half of it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna see what difference it makes, because this is a really nice white, but under here it's horrible.
There's so much dirt.
So
on
much
it.
dirt. It's sat in Copart's yard for a long time. And
Look at the pearl there.
Yeah. With these, like, I know I could have gone and bought one for 4.5, 5 grand, maybe 5.5 for one of that sort of mileage and in mint condition, but we saved one from the grave. So
Yeah.
that was going to go nowhere or get broken for parts. So it didn't need a lot of work to get it back up. And if I hadn't done the exhaust and the other modifications, and if you can do it on your driveway with second-hand parts from eBay, you could have had that car on the road. For
Oh yeah.
2.5, 3 grand.
Yeah.
And there's so many cars nowadays in Copart that get written off for minor damage that someone with some skills can repair. You said it in the first video, but like, you can get a bargain, and it's quite fun as well, like a bit of a project, and saving that I think feels better than going to buy one that didn't need saving.
I feel like you create a connection with the car as well when
Yeah,
you know.
you want it to win. It's the
Yeah.
underdog. You want it. You can save him. You know what I mean? So it's like that doing it this way, I think there is risk, and as we saw with the Civic video that we did a while ago, we bought a lemon. But buying a categorised car, like you said in the first video, is definitely safer than buying an uncategorised car.
Yeah.
At least the categorised car, it's been inspected by an insurance engineer. You know it's either a category U, a category S, sorry, or a category N. So it gives you an idea of the level of damage to the car. it's a gamble, but you know, it's worth. I think sometimes it pays off.
It's a game.
Sometimes-
Why do we play games? To get excitement.
Exactly.
So we're going to leave the car with Neil. He enjoys cleaning cars. He's going to take his time. He's probably going to spend a full day cleaning it. What would you like to see us do with this Fiat 500 Abarth? Should we take it around track? We're very lucky to have Brands Hatch as our local circuit, and it would actually be great fun to see how quick we can get the 500 around that track. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next upload.